everyone, my name is Ronak and you're watching VectoArt. So today's video will be the continuation of the WinUI series. If you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. The link is in the description, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's continue with the link, and here you see on the example section we have the WinUI 3 gallery and WinUI 2 gallery. This is an interactive examples which holds all the controls that WinUI provides, and it has got a nice documentation and also code snippets for you to use. So if you download this WinUI 3 gallery from Microsoft Store, once it is installed, you can open it, and then it will launch a Windows application on your PC. And if you see, you have this beautiful documentation by Microsoft, and if you click on the first link, it will take you to the first steps that we did of creating our first WinUI 3 app. And on the second link, it will show you the design basics, the layouts, the controls and patterns, styles, shells, devices, usability, and all that stuff. And on the third one is the GitHub repository link. And if you see the fourth one, that is a template studio, it will provide you, it is another application similar to this WinUI 3 gallery which you can download, and it will provide you the predefined or pre-compiled templates which you can simply use in your application. It has MVVM patterns, templates, styles, everything that you need to start a application. It has navigation panels, all that stuff, so all the good stuff. So if you see here on the main page or the home page, you have sample codes or recently added samples for the controls that WinUI provides. So you have the info bar, so this you can use in your applications to show small info about certain things. And you have animated icons, and if you click on the source code, it will provide you a small snippet of how to use this code in your application, and also the code behind data. So if you click on button, you have different styles of button. It will show you a disabled button, it will give you a XAML code. You have graphical content buttons, wrap buttons, accent buttons, so many custom templates. So if you look at the usual controls in WPF, you will not find all these nice looking beautiful template styled custom buttons. So this is an extended version, and if you see, you have menus, different sorts of menus, flyout menus. So this tool will provide you it is like a starter's guide how to use this application and how to use these controls within your application. So you have animated visual players, media controls, images. You even have person picture which you can use in you say a chat application, or maybe maybe for a dashboard to say, yeah. So you can see this person picture here. It even shows you a display name, initials, just like you see in a Teams app. Then you have easing functions, animations, something that you do in WPF using storyboards. So you get this predefined. You have breadcrumb bar, some sort of a menu with custom data templates. You have navigations, different sorts of navigations with different alignments. So this tool will make your life or designing an app much more easier. So we have different styles of navigations here. We have progress bars also, different styles of progress bar. You can increase or decrease the value of the progress bar. You can do this programmatically. and as an added bonus you have the source code. You have progress rings as well. You have tooltips, you have brush, you have tabs, so much to explore. So you have split buttons as well. So I would recommend you to check this app, download it, go through all the controls, check out what each control does, how it works, how it can be implemented, and that is what we will do in our upcoming video. So we will check out each of these controls one by one and design something awesome at the end of the series. Also, if you are not able to download this from the Microsoft Store, then you can always go to the GitHub repository and download the source code and modify it as per your needs, or take the code from there and implement it in your application. There are different types of text boxes as well. There are number boxes, there are password boxes, so much more, so much to explore. So here if you see in the home page of the Microsoft Store, you have the GitHub repository link. Also if you download, you have the GitHub link. So if you will open Visual Studio, and on the home page you can clone a repository, provide that repo link and just click on clone, and the whole source code which is there in GitHub will be cloned to your machine, and then you can make changes, you can explore each control. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.